art in this memorable occasion and graduation. Now with pride, we will talk, sing, and dance, read simple words, and count as well. We are now properly oriented about the three F's. Love, and ending, happy, learning alphabet and language, and most important, living with God. My teacher, thank you for offering our little and mine. With kind of words. Thank you, Mom and Papa, for the love and guidance. My dear alma mater, the little spark of joy and knowledge to inform us with little pieces of love, and then we will offer you the gift. Thank you, and take the chapter.
Thank you, George. And for the pledge of loyalty, here's the class salutatorian for class 2007, Jinky and Norby.
Ipinapangako namin ang aming katapatan, pag-ibig at paggalang sa aming mga magulang, guro at kaaralan. Ipinapangako rin namin na ang matutunang kaalaman at kagandahang asal mula sa paaralan ay naibahagi sa aming kapwa at lalo tigit sa ating lipunang ginagalawan.
Thank you, Jinky. Again, surrender us with an inspiring song number. Let us give a round of applause.